Guys, panoorin niyo kung gaano ka-powerful yung malunggay. Napakadami nito sa Pilipinas. Tinatawag din itong miracle tree. Panoorin niyo yung paliwanag ni Dr. Eric Berg patungkol dito kung anong mga benefits ng malunggay tree. Napakagaling. Panoorin niyo ito. Ito yung video niya.
The benefits of moringa. Okay, the moringa plant, it's actually a tree, and a lot of people wanted me to do a video on this, but here's some of the benefits. First of all, it has all of the essential amino acids. Number two, it has 7 times the potassium as bananas. 3, twice as much protein as milk. 4 times as much calcium as milk. Number 5, 7 times more vitamin C than an orange. Number 6, 25 times the iron than spinach. Now, of course, it's not the heme iron, but it's still some iron that can be converted or used by our bodies to a certain degree. Number 7, it has 36 times more magnesium than eggs. And number 8, it has 50 times more vitamin B3 than peanuts. It has 56 times more vitamin B2 than bananas. And number 10, it has anti-diabetic properties, so it's great if you have blood sugar issues. And number 11, it's anti-arthritic, so it has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. All right, number 12, it's a very, very powerful antioxidant. And number 13, it's anti-acne. So moringa is definitely on the list of superfoods.
Di ba guys? Napakaganda ng malunggay sa health benefits ng katawan. Kaya guys, ano pang hinihintay mo? Kung isa ka sa nanood ng bidyong to, tapos meron kang kakilala, kamag-anak o kaibigan na may sakit, napaka-effective nito lalo pa 'pag hinaluan mo ng sambong o ginlakdan, tapos tudturin mo, tapos pigain mo, tapos pagkapiga mo lagyan mo ng lemon. Guys, i-try mo lang. Baka itong video na 'to, ito na yung, kagalingan ng may kamag-anak kang may sakit. Kagaya ng mataas ang kolesterol, mataas ang uric acid, high blood, tapos, nag-i-insulin, diabetic. Guys, kahit cancer kayang tanggalin 'to, kahit kayang gamutin ng ano na 'to, ng malunggay, ginlakdan at saka lemon. Paghaluin niyo lang guys, subukan niyo lang guys, i-try niyo lang. I-try niyo lang guys, tapos i-save niyo 'tong video na 'to. Balikan niyo ako guys 'pag nagawa niyo ng mga 1 linggo o di kaya mga 1 month na. Balikan niyo 'tong video na 'to, mag-comment kayo kung talagang effective, naging effective yung ginawa niyo 'to. Guys, ang malunggay ay tinaguriang superfood at ang ginlakdan napakaraming health benefit sa katawan. Antioxidant din siya. Kaya guys, ano pang hinihintay mo? Baka itong video na 'to, ito yung magsilbing daan sa kagalingan ng mahal mo sa buhay. Kaya try mo na guys. God bless sa inyong lahat.